This is so clear as day of what is likely to happen in the markets. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. Alright, hey traders, hope you guys are doing well. Let's get straight into today. I want to talk to you guys about that. This is clear as day, clear as bell, clear as day of what is likely to happen in the stock market moving forward. Now let me just blow up this chart here for a minute. What is likely to happen moving forward with the markets now? And you know, this is so clear that we are getting ready for another drop to the downside. It is just so obviously clear, obviously clear in the markets that we are getting ready for another. We're getting ready for another drop to the downside. You can see what happened here with the Dow Jones, right? Nice reversal up, come back down. But look what's happening here still to this time. What are we happening here? High, lower high. We ran up today, hit this area of resistance, came back down and closed low. So that tells me we are getting ready for another significant drop to the downside. And I believe we're going to have a drop, probably break these lows as well too, and see a drop down to probably about the 22.5 to 23 is my target level, is where I think it's going to go on the short term there. Same for, this is the S&P 500 chart as well too. Same for the S&P 500. Look at this here, just really struggling to get up. Sideways movement, bit of a down bar, reversal down bar. So I'm expecting a drop to the downside. And when I say drop to the downside, I do possibly the S&P possibly won't break a new low on that. It may or may not, but the Dow Jones is the one that I'm looking at there as well too. And also looking at the Nasdaq. What is happening with the Nasdaq? The Nasdaq has gapped up, went sideways, gapped back down, and now we're getting ready, I believe, for this type of action in the markets. This is what we call like an island reversal, where it gaps up. Let me show you this here. This is like an island reversal where it gaps up, comes back down, and then gaps down. As you can see, it's basically, it looks like an island, and then gaps down sideways. And then once again, I believe we're likely to start seeing this action from here as well too. False break above these highs up here. Serious break above this resistance level now as well too. So the Nasdaq long-term support level for me is down here at 6,000. So this is where I believe the Nasdaq is likely to head down to, around about that 6,000 mark on the short term anyway. And so that's what I'm seeing through there. And even things like if you look at you know what, let's just, yeah, so the SPY, the DIA, even the transports is looking pretty weak as well too. And once again, even the IWV and also the IWM. IWM's looking a bit stronger, but the IWV is definitely looking that as well too. So moving on to gold and silver, what's happened with gold and silver? What's going on through here? Firstly, a big up bar, right? Big up bar, but nothing has really changed with silver just yet, has it? We're still going through this sideways movement through here. Nice big up day in silver. And if we have a look at the actual gold chart as well, so look at the gold chart, really holding this here nice and strong, and a nice rally up and out. But just remember guys, we're still, that big long-term weekly chart, which is right here, is still saying big bull flag. So this may be the start of the breakout on the upside. Let me ask you a question. Do you think right now that the stock market is poised to have a drop to the downside? I'd love to hear what you think. Leave a comment in below.